The topic of this video is what type of medical treatment should I get after a car accident? So if this is the first time you've been involved in a car accident or the first time you've been injured in a car accident, you're likely going to have questions about what type of medical treatment and what type of options are available to you. So the reason I put together this video was basically to inform you what your options are and then to tailor those options toward the particular injury and treatment that you want. So first and foremost, if you have been involved in a serious car accident and you've got possible broken bones, lacerations, you need to go to a hospital and go to a hospital immediately. Also, if you don't have health insurance and a private provider is not going to see you, you need to go to the hospital because obviously the hospital cannot refuse you medical treatment. So the second option, if you've been in it doesn't really matter the level of car accident, but if the injuries are to the point that they are not severe. Yes, you're in pain, but you're confident you don't have any broken bones, then I suggest you go immediately to an urgent care center. And the benefit is, A, you get checked out, you get yourself looked at, but B, you're not running up massive bills like a hospital is going to, a hospital stay would incur. You know, the difference to your PIP, in other words, your no-fault benefits, are massive hospital bills eating up a lot of that PIP or an urgent care that's going to eat up a very minimal amount. But in either situation, you're checked out and the medical provider will at least provide you some type of guidance as to what is going on. Now, the next circumstance is you may have a family doctor, a general practitioner that you're familiar with. And even though you trust that person, most general practitioners in Florida do not handle motor vehicle accidents. And the reason for that is motor vehicle accidents bill off of PIP, that no-fault insurance I just spoke about. And these family care doctors just are not set up to bill, they're not equipped to handle those types of cases. So even if you do go in to see your primary care doctor, most of the time they're going to say you're fine, maybe give you some muscle relaxers or some aspirin or something along those lines, which really doesn't help your auto accident case. You really need a specialist. So that dovetails into the question, well, what about a specialist? So the doctors that specialize in auto accidents are really doctors of chiropractic and then your orthos. Now, an ortho, if you're able to find one of them quickly, that is absolutely your best bet. The problem is most of those doctors have appointments many days or weeks out. And you just simply cannot wait that long after a car accident to get in with that doctor. Because again, don't forget, the insurance company is going to look at this case, at your case, and say, well, if you've got a gap in treatment after the accident, how badly could you have been injured? So think about that when you make that decision. Now, it's a good idea to get in with an ortho at some point, but maybe not right off the bat, just due to the timing issues. So then, again, the last doctor would be the chiropractor. And I recommend chiropractors in a lot of soft tissue cases. If you've got pain, neck, back, whatever the case may be, get in with them. They usually can see you pretty quickly. And that's basically the analysis of what to do after being involved in a car accident. Those are your options. Good luck to you.